This is how you make
the best burger in the world.
We've got Australian lamb mince. We're gonna add our breadcrumbs, add an egg.
Pepper, then salt.
We're going to mix it all together.
And
the sauce that's fit for
kings.
Hello, hello, sing today. Like cabbages and kings. Do you know why we put all of these ingredients together?
So that it binds.
It binds really well. And what else is important? What do you want your burger to be?
Soft.
Juicy, actually.
Juicy, yeah.
So this will make a juicy burger. We're gonna take a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna put it on the bottom of the burger press so our meat doesn't stick. So we'll put some in here. It's gonna be a nice, generous patty. We're going to smoosh it. As Hannah says, that's the technical term. This is our burger patty.
Wow, nice.
Okay. So what we're going to do now is get our pan nice and hot, and then we're going to make our garlic yogurt sauce to go on top of the lamb. It's gonna be very refreshing as a sandwich. And that's it. Put a little bit of sour cream. And we're using fresh mint because of how bright it is as a flavor instead of the dried mint. Or sprinkling it on. What the hell is that?
Where was that?
A little bit of garlic, not so much. And then we're gonna mix this all together. Tamara, hold this. 1 spoon of caramelized onion. Okay, we call this onion jam. And then, last but not least, some mixed greens that we've got.
That's a full burger.
Isn't that a nice burger? Look at, oh my gosh. Okay, and this is how you make an Australian lamb burger.